Hello everyone. Today we'll be making a Christmas owl. We'll be using white dye paste, black dye paste, what's this called again? Crushed crystal, that's the one. This light pink glitter, and this grey iridescent metallic acrylic paint. Ooh. Let's get some resin ready and let's get this started. Okay, we're ready to do our owls. I've sprayed them already. So, let's see what happens. Definitely not enough. That's alright. We'll just have one out, like we were in the first place. And we'll top this up another day. Definitely don't have time for it today. We'll be back when they're cured. See you in a bit. Okay, the owl has cured. And let's try and unmold it. Now the other one we're going to leave be because it's only half full, so I will fill that up with my next pour. And I'll show it then. Oh, definitely over poured here. We're going to have an issue getting this off. Oops. Let's just get a corner. Let's see if we can't get some alcohol in there to loosen the grip. It's not as bad as I thought. Oh, ooh. You just realised making it sound like an owl. That was funny. Well, what do you think? I can see the light pink shimmer through. Can you see it? Oh, these cameras aren't brilliant, are they? To show you exactly how much he really does sparkle. Wow. let me be honest with you, I didn't expect to be liking it the way I am. And yeah, we didn't quite get the marbling right. But we have black, white and grey. That'll do me. And I like the way we've got black here and a white one. Okay, let's go and get some pens and do his eyes. So the eyes could be white, grey, orange or yellow. Yellow. So gold. Yeah. Let's get a... Oops. Don't be fooling about. You already drink already, mate. Is that the small side? See if we can put some definition on him. You know, where you can actually see his wings more. Now let's get his pupil in there. I think we're pure out of ink with this one. That's not what we wanted to do. That might explain why owls need glasses. I can't start wiping. I need to dab, otherwise it's going to take the whole colour off. Hey, that's made it look great. I'll do. Oh yes, I like that. You see? Get the gold and then the grey pupil. And the definition in the wings. I think he's beautiful. Mm. Here is our Christmas owl. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. God bless. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.